Let me take my hair down to show you guys. My beautiful natural hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronsah, also known as Sasa, and today I want to talk to you guys about my natural hair routine and how it has helped me reach the length that I am today. So here is my hair after wearing a twist out. Yes, I wear twist outs often for hair growth. I'm going to show you guys the length. With this shirt, you can't really tell. Let me turn around for you guys. Yeah, y'all can't really tell. I'm going to put a screenshot of my hair length now. But here are some tips to help you reach your hair length goals. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, like the video if you found it helpful, and stay tuned for more videos. Now let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about a consistent hair care routine. A hair care routine is what makes or breaks your hair. I wash my hair every 2 to 3 weeks. And this includes moisturizing, blow drying, massaging my scalp, and protective styling. Your hair care routine is very important. What I do is I wash my hair with when I wash my hair, I condition first, which is called pre-poo. Then I shampoo my hair. Then I deep condition my hair, and I brush out the deep conditioner in my hair and put them into 6 or 4 twists. Once I rinse the deep conditioner out, I put them into 6 braids. Then the following day, I blow dry my hair and put them into twists. And when I twist my hair, which is my protective hairstyle, I use a twisting butter. I'm going to show you guys real quick, or insert a picture. I'll insert a picture here of what the twisting butter is. But for my blow drying routine, I use heat protectant, leave-in conditioner, and the twisting butter. When it comes to natural hair growth, protective styles should be your best friend. Me, I love twists. You can wear braids. Twists and braids are the main ones, but I prefer twists because it's easy to install, low manipulation. I only need like one product, and when I wear my twists, I wear them for a good 2 weeks. Then I unravel them and wear them out, and yeah, it just works for me. It keeps my ends together. My ends always look happy. They always look happy. But it's also important to remember that when you're wearing these protective styles, to moisturize your hair when it is feeling dry. Do not let your hair dry out in these protective styles. Let your hair marinate in these braids and twists, and on the weekend or when it's close to wash day, you want to unravel your hair and wear it out in big. It's great. And always twist your hair before you go to sleep. Protect your hair at night. That's key. This is a common misconception about natural hair, that you should not use heat on it at all. That is not true. If you know how to use heat wisely when taking care of your natural hair, your hair will actually benefit from it. So what I use when I blow dry my hair, I use the Revair. And the Revair is it's a huge machine. I would insert a picture here, but it has helped me blow dry my hair effectively and without using too much heat. It uses a reverse air technology, which keeps my hair healthy. So if you're going to use a heat styling tool, use something that does not emit as much heat. Do not use heat often. I do not recommend using heat often. When I blow dry my hair, I do it like once a month or every 3 weeks. And I don't get silk presses. The last time I got a silk press was maybe 2022. So limit the amount of silk presses. If you're going to blow dry your hair, make sure you are using the right blow drying technique and the right heat tool. And use heat protectant. Finding the right products to moisturize your natural hair can sometimes be difficult. You have to try something, try a product with good ingredients, you could scan the back of the ingredients, look them up to see if they benefit your hair or if they aren't good. After washing and blow drying my hair, I use a twisting butter, and that leaves my hair moisturized for at least 2 to 3 weeks, for a very long time, and I don't have to re-moisturize. So find out your moisture levels, and you have to figure out which products work for your hair and your hair care routine. So focus more on the techniques you use instead of the products. Techniques as in protective styles, low manipulation hairstyles, things like that to help you with hair growth. You need to focus on techniques to help you manage your ends, manage your hair in order to keep it healthy. Healthy and strong hair equals to longer hair. Being gentle is also key to achieving long natural hair. When you are gentle with your hair, you don't rip out as much strands. I'm always patient when detangling my hair, when styling my hair. Always be gentle. Make sure you are using the right detangling tool so you don't lose hair. I use the Tangle Teaser brush. I like using the Unbrush. The Unbrush, you can also find that in my TikTok shop. But yes, I love using that brush on wash days, and I rarely use the comb. When I use the comb, it's when I just blow dried my hair and I'm combing it and putting it into twists. That's the only time I use the comb. I don't comb my hair out after wearing twists or until my next wash day. I do not use combs often. Here are some things to avoid for natural hair growth. Do not skip moisturizing your hair. Do not wear tight hairstyles. At least limit the use of tight hairstyles. Don't ignore your scalp, and do not overwash your hair. These are the things that I avoid for natural hair growth. And I do not hop on every natural hair trend that I see. I stick to what my hair likes, and I'm very consistent with my natural hair routine. Patience and consistency. Now, you need this for your natural hair growth, because when you are patient, you are gentle, you are taking your time, and the more effort and care you put into taking care of your natural hair, the more you will see in your results. So be patient and be realistic with your natural hair goals, because growth takes time. You can also take progress photos. Like I would take a picture of how my hair looks in January, then 6 months later, take a follow-up picture, and then at the end of the year, do a comparison picture. That is something I would like to do more of, like to keep track of your natural hair journey. I think that's a really cool thing to implement. But that wraps up my video. If you have any tips you would like to share with others, or any questions you would like to know more about growing natural hair, comment down below. I'm here to help. Also, let me know what other topics you would like me to cover in my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.